P16 swimming pool and park. This is P16 Amaranta Villanova. Hi viewers, today we will discuss P16 Amaranta Villanova, which will be handed over end of this year and maximum first quarter of 2022. Okay, and we will discuss every single point regarding this community. Just first have a look on the community. In the community video, we will start from here. We will enter from here like this and then up to here only, and also the video of this area especially. So this video is available. P16 Amaranta Villanova. A master plan of Villanova, and P16 is situated exactly this area. This is P16, this is P8 and P7, La Rosa 5, La Quinta, P1. So P16 is this one. Plan of P16 Amaranta Villanova. In Amaranta Villanova we have only 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. 3 bedroom townhouses plus maid room and 4 bedroom townhouses plus maid. And the mid units, all mid units we have 3 bedroom, and all corner units and end units all we have 4 bedroom. And in this community we have 2 parks. The first park, this is the first park, Poland Park. Okay, and if we make it a bit closer, so it's already specified in colors. Here the corner units and the end units, they are all 4 bedroom, and the mid units, they are all 3 bedrooms. And also in the map we have a clear dimensions, especially for Vastu clients. They can also check from it, and they can also select a unit if they want to buy any. So this is all about master plan of P16 Amaranta Villanova. Viewers, now about the sizes, rent, sale and return on investment. First I want to clarify one thing. I have another video about P8 which is already handed over. So the sizes and the plot size and everything is similar to P16. Okay, so if we discuss the sizes are almost similar. Like for 3 bedroom, that is 1736 is a plot size, and built up area is 1894. So this is the built up area. And for 4 bedroom, 2213 is a built up area, and plot sizes are different because it is in P16 either it could be end unit or corner, so the sizes could be different, but the standard size is 2531. So these are the sizes for 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. And if we see, we did some rents already in P8, and the size in, as I told you, it is same sizes. So for 3 bedroom the rent is from 95k to 105k. Okay, and for 4 bedroom the rent is 120k to 130k. These are the rent for 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. And if we come to the sales in P8, the sale prices are from 1.55 to 1.65, or maximum up to 1.7, because it is already handed over. And I have many units that are available for sale in P16. I can sell it on 1.55, 1.575 and 1.6 million. That is the maximum price for 3 bedroom. And for 4 bedroom, the sale prices are from 1.75 to maximum 1.9, but 1.9 is high. Maximum 1.85 is the maximum price for 4 bedroom. And if we can discuss the return on investment, so you yourself can calculate this. Just only you need to, like, for if you want to calculate the return on investment, so it will be like if the 3 bedroom is 195k, it is the least price, so 95k multiplied by 100 and divide by the selling price, which is 1.55, okay, or you can calculate by 1.575, okay. So the maximum return on investment nowadays is from 5.5 if you can deduct the service charges also, which is 3.8 per square feet, the service charges. So if you deduct that, it is from 5.5 return on investment to 6.5. So this is all about sizes, rent, sale and return on investment. So viewers, this is all about P16 Amaranta Villanova, okay. I have many units available. If you are interested, you want to buy it is already a secondary property now. It's not available from developer. So if you want to buy a property, it is on payment plan. Almost every single owner in this community have paid 40%. So if you want to buy, you need to pay 40% to the owner. So they will transfer the uqud from their name, from the seller name to the buyer name. If you are a cash buyer, it's very easy for you. So as soon as you transfer the uqud to your name, so at the end of the handover time, the rest of the amount means whichever is remaining, you will pay to Dubai Properties, and also the premium to the seller. And if you are a finance buyer, so the same process, you should have the cash amount up to 40% at the time of completion. As per my information from various bank employees, mortgage consultant, they told me that they will receive a 40% you have already paid to the seller, and they transfer the uqud from their name to your name because you are buyer. And then at the time of transfer, at the time of handover, they will give you, the Dubai Property will give you a completion certificate. On that completion certificate, you will create 2 checks. One will be on the name of the seller and one will be on the name of Dubai Properties. So both will get the seller will get the premium, and the buyer will get Dubai Properties will get the amount of their properties. So it will be that kind of a process. So if you are interested, if you want to buy a property, you can contact me. And for more details, you can have a look on, I have many videos regarding Villanova, also P7 and P8. So you can have a look on that. And thank you so much for watching the video.